Hello dear homemakers, welcome to Simply Homemaking with Victoria Odong, where we embrace faith, family, and the beauty of homemaking. And today I want to share something close to my heart, and that's building a God-centered home. In today's fast-paced world, our homes might feel chaotic and disconnected from God's purpose, but as homemakers, we have a unique role to shape our families emotionally, physically, and spiritually. A home built on God's wisdom becomes a place of peace, love, and growth. When we look at the biblical wisdom as homemakers, a God-centered home must begin with a prayer. A home that does not pray is like a house without a foundation. Proverbs chapter 3 verses 5 to 6, it says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart, acknowledge him, and then he will direct your ways." That includes homemaking. So let's begin each new day with a prayer. Even a simple "Lord, bless this home with your peace" can set the right tone to begin your day. And the other thing is to live or embrace love and kindness in our daily routines, in our conversations, in our daily tasks. When we read Colossians chapter 3 verses 14, it reminds us to put on love, which binds everything together perfectly in harmony. So, it is important for our families to feel that they are cared for when we cook, clean, and organize. The other thing is to teach God's word. We need to reflect on God's word. We need to have faith as a basis of our conversations and during our routines. When we read Deuteronomy chapter 6 verses 6 to 7, it says, "May we teach God's word diligently to our children." What does that mean? That it's important for us to at least say a verse to our family members, and then we need to reflect on that word during our conversations, during our daily routines, and in whatever we are doing. We need to reflect upon God's word, because it's God's word that shapes us into his image. It helps us to live according to his will and do things according to his purpose. The other thing is to live with order and peace. When we read 1 Corinthians chapter 14 verses 33, it says that our God is not a God of confusion. What does that mean? That we need to come up with homemaking routines that bring peace rather than stress. God is not a God of confusion. A family that has chaos and disorganization makes it very hard to focus on God. So let's really try to create peace in our homes and in whatever we do, so that we can have God-centered homes. Tell me some of the ways in which you bring faith into your home. Share that in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. And if you found this video very useful, put a thumbs up, subscribe so that you do not miss out of this homemaking life journey. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.